What has happened, BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Spirit Day number 288. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a good weekend. I literally just got this delivered. Came in a box. My wife dropped it off into my office. And what is it? What am I talking about? It is the brand new Arbutus Distilleries Hibiscus Vodka. I really love hibiscus as a flavor profile. It is just a fantastic flavor profile. It's berries and green and aromatic and everything. Fantastic color, obviously. It just bleeds really well. I used to make a really good hibiscus liqueur back in the day at Clive's. Just look at that color. The color is just fantastic. Claret. Oh, on the nose. Again, there's that very classic hibiscus straight away. Hibiscus flowers, sweet, citrusy. It's just a beautiful flavor. On the palate, rich hibiscus. It really is a fantastic. I'm just in love with hibiscus. If you haven't noticed that already, I love hibiscus. Obviously, there's no sweetness to this. Very dry. Would really call for a nice sweet backbone to it to really make it sing. Just a smidge of sugar in this in a cocktail is really going to make that blow up. I wouldn't be playing around with this. Like, you know me, I'm not a massive fan of flavored vodkas. I just don't like them much. This one is fantastic. I love the pickle vodka the other week from Tate & Bay as well. This is fantastic. This would be really great with Elderflower Tonic from Fever-Tree. It would just really sing. The backbone, the structure of the vodka is fantastic. It comes through a little bit, like creamy mouthfeel. But then, palate-wise, that fruity, hibiscus citrus, a little green, big aromatics, really fantastic, bold flavor. It's not floral. It is like if you ever tasted sweet pickled or sweet candied hibiscus flowers, they taste very raspberry leather. And that's exactly what this calls for. This is the Arbutus Distilling Hibiscus Vodka, number 288. Thanks as always, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.